Preview.
Hello everybody, I'm Porridges from Kirswana Club. Today we are going to do a pumpkin folding surprise.
Yes, so what are we going to do?
A big mouth pumpkin folding
We
surprise.
fold the paper into
I'm
half.
going to do it. I'm going to take that one.
So we folded the paper and now we do the drawing.
Normal pumpkin.
The normal pumpkin. The normal Halloween pumpkin.
We are doing a normal Halloween pumpkin. Right, Papa?
Yes, Peter.
Had we drawn?
Hmm?
Had we drawn a Halloween pumpkin? Ever?
Yes, we have.
Yes, we have actually. Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya. Hiya, hiya.
Hmm?
Hiya, hiya, hiya. Hiya, 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 hiya.
And the eyes?
Well, see my teeth. See now, Papa, my teeth. See my teeth.
Yes. Very good. And now we make the. What do we make? The extended Halloween pumpkin.
Oh, this is going to be a big one.
Let's connect these two.
Now, Papa.
And let's connect these two.
Yeah.
Then let's connect the teeth.
I will not able to connect the teeth, Papa.
Wow, you did the entire teeth at the down bottom. No problem.
Yes. I'm trying to do something. But I think you are not going to do that.
Mhm.
See this, Papa.
Very good. And we are going to draw
Oh, I'm not going to do that.
a vampire inside
But
it.
I'm not going to do it.
Why?
I won't.
Let's draw a vampire inside it.
No.
Why?
No.
Yes. Okay, a skeleton. Skeleton head. Hmm?
I'm doing something else.
No. What is that?
Blah.
The tongue has to be like this. If you have to draw a tongue, then this has to be like this.
I don't know.
See, like this.
Okay, Baba, no problem. Then now I'm going to drop that thing on top.
Now let's color it.
No, Papa. Let's draw the skeleton head.
No.
Wait, Papa, please. Let's do.
No.
Papa, you will not
It won't look nice. It won't look nice. Do one thing now. No, don't make it mess. Make it a mess. Let's color it fast. And we are done with the drawing of the big mouth Halloween. With yeah. So this is my pumpkin, and that is Parikshit's pumpkin. Now let's unfold it. The magic. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Once again. 3, 2, 1. Oh. So friends,
if you love this video, do like and
subscribe my channel.
To see more
And
of
parents,
the
parents, what do the parents have to do? Do share your kids'
Israel
drawings
with us on
with us.
Instagram and do tag us at the Kids Fun.
Yes, do not forget to tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag
Kids
Kids Fun Learn Club. So have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Otherwise,